Do you ever feel like your days fly by, and you barely have time for yourself? You wake up, rush to get ready, go to work or school, and by the time you finally get a break, you're too exhausted to do anything meaningful? Imagine if you could change all that by simply waking up earlier. Think about it. The world is quiet at 5 a.m. No distractions, no notifications, no rush, just you, your thoughts, and a head start on the day. It's no surprise that some of the most successful people in the world wake up early: CEOs, athletes, entrepreneurs. They all swear by the power of early mornings. But let's be real, waking up at 5 a.m. isn't easy, especially if you're used to hitting snooze a dozen times. That's why in this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful, science-backed tips that will make waking up at 5 a.m. easy, natural, and even enjoyable. These aren't just random hacks, they're proven strategies that I've personally tested, and they work. And trust me, tip number 10 is a game changer, so make sure you stick around till the end. Let's dive in. 1. Fix your night routine. Sleep is the key to waking up early. If you want to wake up at 5 a.m. feeling energized and refreshed, you have to start with your night routine. Let's be honest, most of us have terrible bedtime habits. We scroll our phones late at night, binge watch Netflix, or stay up past midnight for no real reason. Then we expect to wake up early feeling great? That's impossible. Here's how to fix your night routine and set yourself up for a successful morning. Set a bedtime that allows 7 to 8 hours of sleep. If you want to wake up at 5 a.m., you should be in bed by 9:30 or 10 p.m. Avoid screens at least 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Blue light from your phone blocks melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Try reading or meditating instead. Create a relaxing wind-down routine. Dim the lights, listen to calming music, stretch, or drink a cup of herbal tea. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. A cooler room, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius, helps you sleep better. Your morning success depends on your night. Fix your sleep, and waking up early will be 10 times easier. 2. Set a strong reason to wake up. Your why matters. Ever notice how easy it is to wake up early when you're catching a flight for a vacation? That's because you have a clear reason to get up. If you don't have a strong why, you'll always hit snooze. Before bed, set a clear goal for the next morning. Ask yourself, why do I want to wake up at 5 a.m.? What will I do with that extra time? How will my life improve if I stick to this habit? Write it down, visualize it, make it something you actually look forward to. 3. Place your alarm across the room. If your alarm is within arm's reach, you will hit snooze. It's human nature. Here's the fix. Put your alarm across the room. This forces you to physically leave your bed, which makes it 100% easier to stay awake. Try it tonight. 4. Use the 5-second rule. Don't think, just move. The moment your alarm goes off, don't think. Your brain will try to convince you to go back to sleep. Beat it at its own game. Use the 5-second rule by Mel Robbins. The moment your alarm rings, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and immediately get up. This simple trick stops you from making excuses and reprograms your brain to take action. Try it tomorrow morning and see the difference. 5. Get natural light ASAP. Sunlight stops melatonin production, making you feel awake and alert. Right after waking up, open your blinds immediately. Step outside for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If it's still dark, use a daylight lamp. Light is your body's natural alarm clock. Use it to your advantage. 6. Drink a glass of water first thing. Let's talk about something simple but game-changing: hydration. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. And what happens when you're dehydrated? You feel groggy. Your brain fog gets worse. You feel sluggish and tired. But there's an easy fix. Drink a full glass of water first thing in the morning. Keep a water bottle next to your bed so you can drink it immediately after waking up. Add lemon for an extra detox boost. Stay consistent. This habit alone can make mornings feel 10x easier. Try this tomorrow. You'll be shocked at how much more awake you feel just by drinking water first thing. 7. Do a quick physical movement right after waking up. One of the fastest ways to wake up fully is to get your body moving, even if it's just for a few minutes. When you sleep, your blood circulation slows down. That's why you feel stiff and sluggish when you first wake up. The solution? Move your body ASAP. Do 10 jumping jacks to get your blood flowing. Stretch for 5 minutes, especially your back and neck. Try a short walk outside, bonus points for fresh air. You don't need a full workout, just move enough to wake up your system. This small habit will train your brain and body to feel awake and energized first thing in the morning. 8. Avoid your phone for the first 30 minutes. Be honest. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? For most people, it's checking their phone. Scrolling through social media, reading the news, responding to messages. And before you know it, 30 minutes are gone. Worse, your brain is instantly bombarded with distractions, stress, and other people's priorities. The first 30 minutes of your day set the tone for everything else. Instead of looking at your phone, try this. Leave your phone in another room overnight. Use an actual alarm clock so you don't rely on your phone. When you start your day with intention, not distraction, you'll feel more in control, more focused, and way less stressed. 9. Wake up earlier gradually. Don't go from 8 a.m. to 5 a.m. overnight. A huge mistake people make when trying to wake up early? They do it all at once. If you normally wake up at 8 a.m. and suddenly set your alarm for 5 a.m., your body will fight back. Here's what happens. You'll feel exhausted. You'll rely on caffeine to survive the day. You'll crash by the afternoon. And by day 3, you'll give up and go back to sleeping in. Instead, try the gradual wake-up method. Wake up 30 minutes earlier every 3 to 4 days. Let your body adjust before pushing further. Be consistent. Don't keep switching your wake-up time. This is how you make waking up at 5 a.m. a habit that sticks, without hating your life in the process. 10. Stay consistent, even on weekends. Okay, let's be real. Waking up at 5 a.m. Monday through Friday is one thing, but what about the weekends? Most people sleep in on weekends, thinking they'll catch up on sleep. But guess what? This actually messes up your body clock. Monday morning will feel 10x harder. You'll never fully adjust to waking up early. Here's the secret. Wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This doesn't mean you have to jump out of bed and start working at 5 a.m. on a Saturday. But waking up at a consistent time trains your body and makes early mornings feel natural. Stick with it for a few weeks, and you'll be amazed at how effortless it becomes. Now, let's do this together. Commit to the 5 a.m. challenge for the next 7 days. Comment below. What's your biggest struggle with waking up early? And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.